This is the second equation on the equation sheet. Then x equal to initial velocity multiplied by time plus 1/2 at squared. I'm gonna go ahead and prove it. We already know from the first equation is f equal to I plus at. Plus vi on both sides. You're gonna have vi plus vf equal to 2vi plus at. Then we're gonna divide it both sides by 2. What you get is the average equal to vi plus 1/2 at. And then you're gonna multiply t on both sides. What you get is average multiplied by time is delta x equal to vi t plus 1/2 at squared, which is correct.